Good day. Here's my 2012 Kawasaki Ninja 250, and I just finished doing the air filter maintenance, and it's fairly straightforward on this bike. I like the way they designed it. So all you gotta do, just take off the right cover. There's one screw there to take out, and then there's 3 pins on this side cover that fit into these rubber grommets. Pull that off, and there's 3 screws here on this air filter cover. Take them out, 1, 2, 3, and like this. Take that off like that. And the air filter is right there. You just pull it out. Pull it out. It's in like a plastic cage. There's 2 pins you pull apart. Pull the filter out. And the usual, wash it in solvent. And then oil it. Squeeze out the excess oil. Put it back together. Push it back in. Really simple. Make sure it goes all the way in. Like that. None of this dicking around taking the tank off or whatever. Really convenient design. There you have it. Where to access the air filter on your 2012 Kawasaki Ninja 250. Thanks for watching.